Reba's reading treasures. It's Reba to the rescue. Come on along and read this sensational story with me. The title, Let the Building Begin. My crew and I are ready to build buildings. We are working with Mr. Wilson and his firm. He is typing the contract so that we can get to work. We have the order and we are ready to build beautiful buildings. It's time to view our blueprints. Blueprints are guides that show what to build and how to build it. We have all of the tools we need to build fantastic buildings. It's time to get to work. For this first building we must build, Kyrie and I will take measurements. We need 4 dump trucks to haul the dirt. We must now place cones and barriers to block the streets. We are busy building. We are making great progress. Check out our completed buildings. Mr. Wilson is very happy with our work. Our work is done. It's now time for the trucks to return to the grounds. Four cement trucks are making their way back to our headquarters. Three dirt trucks are headed back to our company too. Two empty dump trucks are following the dirt trucks. Here come three loaders. it's time to take inventory of our tools. Kyrie is safely counting the power drills. How many do you see here? Yes, there are 4 power drills. Now I have to count to make sure that there are 6 hammer and nail sets. Do you see 6 here? Yes, there are 6 sets here. Seven measuring tape sets are here. Our work is complete. Mr. Wilson is very happy.